अच्छा सुनो, सब्सक्राइब किया? नहीं? कर लो जी, 1 ही सेकंड लगेगा। और हाँ, जाते जाते बेल आइकन को भी बजा देना, ठीक है ना?
Hey guys, I hope you had a great summer vacation as we did. And we are back again to entice your taste buds. Today we would be learning your favorite starter recipe in restaurant style. Yes, it's chili paneer. Before that, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to it. And if you have already subscribed it, then please like, share and comment on this recipe. So let's start preparing it right away. That easy to prepare your favorite food in Swati's Kitchenette. Please try this recipe and let me know your experience in the comment section below. So we'll meet you in the next recipe. Until then, stay tuned and bye-bye.